estimate going to be for 28 times 47? What are we going to round those to? Rev? What are we going to round them to? First we got to round them, then get our estimate. 50 and 30 would work because they are close to 50 and 30. And then if we multiply those, our estimate would be what, Rev? 1,500. We have 2 zeros, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we now know that the product of this is going to be at least 4 digits. Might be close to 1,500, could be a little bit further, I don't know. To remind us from when we were together last, seems like a long time ago, which box are we going to start with for this area model or partial products? Which box? Cool? Which box should we start with, if you remember from a few days ago?
D.
Not D. We could, and it doesn't matter, but it does because we're trying to get the mom and pop algorithm. A, yep, that's why we have the A there. So everybody, what's going to be the product for A? What's the product for A? Anybody? Rev?
63.
Nope. Got to know your basic facts. Nope. Got to know your basic facts. Thank you, Miss Fensky. 56. 8 times 7 is 56. Then for B, what's our product going to be? What's that one? What product's going to go in there? Yeah.
320.
320. 8 times 40. Remembering, starting with the bottom number, 28, we're starting at the bottom right. 8 times 7, 8 times 4. It's going to give that appearance of a bow tie when you're done. What's going to be the product for C? Yep.
140.
140. 20 times 7. And for D, we get what? What's D going to be, Hallie? 800. 2 zeros and 4 times 8. And then we have that bow tie. Again, that only works with double digits. Then down below, to get the final answer, what's going to go on line A? What are we going to put on line A? What is the equation that's going to go there? Moose?
3 times 7.
Nope. You say 3 times 7?
8.
Oh, I thought you said 8 or 3 times 7. So yeah, so A is 8 times 7. Here's A right here, and we did that by getting 8 times 7. So we write that right here. What did that equal? 56. What's the equation from B? Viv, what's B? Sorry. Should be able to tell, but.
Times 40.
Who?
8 times 40.
8 times 40, yep. And what did that equal? 320. Numbers line up down in front, Chase. What's for C?
C is 20 times 7.
Correct. Bottom number first. 20 times 7. What did that equal? Not
140.
140. And what was D, Elian? 20 times 40 is 800. Thank you. And add those together, and what's our product? Add them together. What's our product? Add that in your head, or do it right now with us. What are we giving you? Add those up. You guys can do that one in your brains. Use your estimating skills, or just your adding. Who can add that up without doing any work on your paper? Elian?
1,316.
I'm not sure. I'm asking you.
1,316.
Let's check. Ones, we get a 6. What do we get when we add our 10s? 5 and 4 plus 2 is what? 11. Regroup. Elian, what's 8 plus 2 plus 3?
Wait, say that again?
What? 8 plus 2 plus 2 or plus 3? 13. 1,316. Very good. That's partial products. You can also multiply without listing every partial product by using the standard algorithm. And that's what we're going to work on today. So everybody, what's 8 times 7? 56. And where's my 6 going to go? Where's my 6 going to go? 8 times 7. We weren't gone for 2 months. It was just 2 days. Holy buckets. Hallie? No. Where's my 6 going to go? 8 times 7.
Regroup.
Below the 8. Where's my 5 going to go? What do I do with that? Yes.
Above the 4.
Regroup it above the tens place. Now we have, just like we did over here, 8 times 4 plus 5 equals what? 8 plus 4 plus 5. Yep. Zach? 8 times 4 plus 5. Hallie?
17.
Nope. What's 8 times 4, everyone? Plus 5. 37. Now, what must we do, Fitch?
A placeholder 0.
We need our placeholder. We're done with the 1, so we have to put our 0 there. What's my next step? Elian? We're done with the 8. We just did
Oh, 2 times 7.
2 times 7 is
14.
14. Regroup above the 10s. Then what? Delaney.
2 times 4.
Plus
1.
equals.
9.
Thank you. Add those together, and what should we get? Whatever we got here, right? 6 plus 0, 7 and 4, 12, 13. Partial products, standard algorithm. They both work. This is a different form of partial products. I like to call it the area model. We're trying to get everybody here. This is faster. It's 4 basic fact problems. Here we have a lot of extra writing, and it works just fine. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it, but we're trying to create less work for you. Yes?
How come your actual answer is so far away from the estimate?
That's a good question. Well, let's take a look at our problem. We had 28 and 47, right?
Yeah.
And when we rounded, what did the 28 do and what did the 47 do?
Rounded up.
They both rounded up. So the numbers got larger, so the estimate's larger than the actual answer. If we rounded them down, then they'd be further away the opposite way. That's something you should figure that out and see if you can figure out exactly why it's so much larger. All right, Bridges' book